Hello guys, and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and today we are back with some bullish content. Guys, the price of XRP has been trading above 50 cents and it has been amazing. It dipped a little bit to 49 cents right at this moment in time, but it has been a crazy ride, guys. I am so happy and I want to share my point of view and what's happening in the space, because there is a Telegram group that decided to pump XRP tomorrow on 8:30, and I will share the details with you because this Telegram group has over 200,000 members right now, so it has been growing massively. But besides this, guys, I think that we have a sustainable pump, okay, and that we are in alt season and the XRP price will go up to $1, $2, $3 and go to see all-time highs. And why do I think this? I will share this with you. We will look at some charts and we will read what Stuart Alderati, the general counsel of Ripple, the company, has tweeted. He shared the legal document that they filed as a response to the lawsuit of the SEC and the allegations. So we have a juicy video ready for you. I hope you're ready. Before we dive into the juicy and bullish content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe to my beautiful crypto violin channel. We are at 11.4k subscribers. Let's go to the 20k, guys. Let's help boy crypto violin to the 20k. That would be amazing. Also, like this video if you like the content providing. Comment in the comment section, but beware of the scammers, guys. Beware of the scammers. Watch out, because they're getting dirtier by the day. We have to watch out. And without further ado, let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. So first of all, let's go on Twitter and let's read what Stuart Alderati, the general counsel at Ripple with over 30 years of legal experience with expertise in banking, regulatory affairs and complex litigations, tweeted. So on January the 29th, he tweeted the following: "Today we filed our preliminary legal response to the SEC's complaint. With it, we start to set a record straight and correct many misconceptions and contradictions within their allegations. No other country has classified XRP as a security. The SEC is at odds with its counterparts in the US and peers in other G20 markets. Ripple never held an ICO, nor did we ever sell or offer XRP as an investment. For 8 years, XRP has traded in an open market independent of Ripple. We also filed a Freedom of Information Act request asking how the SEC determined Ether evolved from a security to not a security. No explanation or guidance was given why. We are simply asking for the rules to be 1. Stated clearly, 2. Applied consistently. We are not defending this case just for ourselves. We are fighting for everyone who has been hurt by the SEC's filing." So including the XRP army, guys. We got hurt badly, but actually we are almost up on the levels we saw just before the SEC lawsuit. So that's already happy. To restore order, to get markets, and most importantly, for industry clarity. We will push to get this case resolved as quickly as possible. Let's read this again, guys. We will push to get this case resolved as quickly as possible. Okay, that sounds very promising, guys. As quick as possible. That is exactly what we want and what we need, guys. So I think Ripple is aiming to settle with the SEC. And I think this is the only good way out, the fast way out, because a fast settlement will let the XRP price moon. And I am a strong believer that after the SEC has settled with Ripple, that we will see massive FOMO kick in, because not only all of the investors that sold or all of the investors that hold it, everybody will want to buy XRP, but also the exchanges that liquidated their position in XRP and the big investment firms, and for example Grayscale, they will definitely want to buy XRP again as the case is resolved. So a huge buying wall will force the XRP price to go to unprecedented levels, guys. That's what I believe. Let's read this document. SEC update, preliminary Ripple response. This is on their website of ripple.com. We read, this is a 6-minute read. Stu Alderati posted the following: "Hi Ripple team. Since the SEC filed its complaint at the end of December, its side of the story has been the only one shared publicly. Our initial response was finally filed today. The answer is a legal document, which, as the name suggests, is our official answer to the allegations in the SEC's complaint. Although it does not fully outline our strategy, more to come as it plays out in court, it's our first opportunity to start to set the record straight. Although the legal process is slow, we are working to get this resolved as quickly as possible to bring clarity to the broader market. Moving quickly is important because, as you know, since the SEC filed its complaint, XRP lost almost half of its market value, causing retail holders of XRP with no connection to Ripple, the very people the SEC purports to protect, to suffer billions of dollars in losses. What's more, part of the SEC's mission is to maintain orderly markets, and yet their overreach created havoc in the market. The answer is a long legal document, but I will summarize the main points below. It looks similar to the summary of our Wells submission, which some of you have probably read. XRP is not an investment contract. The only question in this case is a technical one: whether or not Ripple's limited distribution of XRP were an investment contract. To be clear, there are no allegations of fraud, misrepresentation, etc. While we have seen some Twitter commentators suggest this is a non-fraud case, a first-year law student can tell you that there is no such thing. It's misleading and irresponsible, not to mention silly, to even suggest otherwise. Turning to what matters. In our answer, we explain why there is no investment contract. First of all, XRP is a virtual currency and thus outside the SEC's jurisdiction. 2. Ripple has never entered a contract for an investment with any holder of XRP. 3. Ripple never held an ICO, never offered future tokens to raise money, and has no relationship with the vast majority of XRP holders. 4. Holding XRP does not mean a person receives a portion of Ripple's revenue or profit. 5. Ripple's XRP sales amounted to far less than 1% of the massive XRP market that has grown over the last 8 years. 6. The XRP ledger on which XRP actually moves is completely decentralized. The SEC ignores the economic reality of an XRP transaction. 7. Ripple's XRP holdings do not create an investment contract any more than De Beers holding convert diamonds into securities. The SEC is out of step domestically and globally. Before this case, no security regulator in the world has claimed that transactions in XRP must also be registered as securities, and correctly so. The functionality and liquidity of XRP are wholly incompatible with security regulations. Requiring XRP's registration as a security would impair its main utility. In fact, regulators in the US government, the Department of Justice and FinCEN determined in 2015 and 2020 that XRP is a virtual currency and have since regulated it as such. Basically, on its way out, the Trump administration sought to undo the determination that XRP was a virtual currency made during the Obama administration. Globally, the same is true of regulators. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority and regulators in Singapore and Japan have concluded XRP is a virtual currency or a crypto asset and not a security. With its complaint, the SEC is asking the court to contradict the findings of the agency's peers in the US and worldwide. The SEC is picking winners and losers. Although XRP is the most efficient digital asset for global payments, benefiting consumers around the world, and it's the most environmentally sustainable crypto, there is no principled distinction between XRP's current function and that of BTC or Ether. How does the SEC explain telling the public that BTC and Ether are not securities, then turning around and alleging the opposite is true for XRP? What's particularly interesting here is that at one point the SEC claimed that Ether might have been born a security but eventually evolved into a non-security, offering no guidance or framework for this determination. We're just asking for the rules to be stated clearly and for those rules to be applied consistently across the board. We sent an FOIA request for the SEC asking for more information about how the determination was made, in hopes of gaining more clarity on how they came to the initial conclusion about Ether. Furthermore, XRP is a great deal more environmentally friendly than BTC and Ether, considering it avoids the mining process. The power needed to mine and validate BTC transactions leaves an enormous carbon footprint compared to the modest amount of energy consumed by XRP transactions. That must matter for a policy perspective. The SEC has distorted the facts. The complaint filed by the SEC is fully of cherry-picked quotes taken out of context and draws conclusions that are unsupported by both the facts and the law. Throughout our response, we start to clarify the record. While we can't get into all of the specifics in this format, that will happen as the case progresses, you will see we deny many of the SEC's allegations. In time, you will see why. I will share a quote from one of our outside counsels with his evaluation of the case. I think summarized the situation quite well. The SEC's case is unprecedented and ill-conceived. The SEC has ignored XRP's clear status as a virtual currency, contradicting not only the findings of other US regulatory agencies but also international regulatory regimes. Over the last 8 years, the XRP market, independent of Ripple's activities, has grown to a massive scale, trading over 200 exchanges worldwide. The SEC is now stretching the concept of an investment contract beyond its breaking point. We look forward to presenting our case in court. Andrew Seresny. I want to thank the legal team for all of their hard work on this, and on behalf of Brett, recognize the broader Ripple team for staying focused on executing against our vision while we take this case to the courts. Best, Stu. Guys, if this didn't open your eyes, I don't know what will, guys. This is a very clear and firm reaction to the lawsuit, and I think Ripple will be able to win this, guys, or at least settle, because we need a fast settlement, guys. This already calmed down the markets, and we see now, we look and we see that XRP is trading almost above 50 cents. Okay, it tested the 50-cent resistance and now it will trade above 50 cents, guys. I am very sure. You know why I am very bullish? Look, guys, throughout November and December we saw a massive downtrend. Okay, we saw a massive downtrend and we couldn't break it. We tried it a couple times but we couldn't break it, guys, and we got a sell 2 signal, sell 3 signal, sell 4 signal, hell signal, and the bear signal. We got all of the bad signals and we had to run, guys. Okay, we had to run and we did so. So guys, we got buy 2 bull and moon signals and a buy 3 signal. Then we moved massively, guys. We moved over 200%, okay, 209% to be exact. And now we got buy 4 signal, a moon signal, a buy 2 signal, and a bull signal, guys. We got all of those signals in one chart. So that's the first bullishness, okay? We have a buy 1 signal, a buy 2 signal, a buy 4 signal, a moon signal, and a bull signal. That are 5 bullish signals, okay? Then we broke above the 34 cents resistance, we broke above the 43 cents resistance, and we opened above the 43 cent resistance, which is also a bullish sign. So that's bullish sign number 6. Bullish sign number 7 is we broke out of a downtrend that took us 2 months, okay? That's bullish sign number 7. And bullish sign number 8 is that we went all the way down and retested the downtrend line and we made it support and we are going up, guys. All of those bullish signs mean something, okay? So do I think this is a sustained pump? Yes, I think so, because we got all of those bullish signs and we're going up. Those support levels, as we saw here, those are very strong support levels, guys. We broke above them and we will find somehow, we will find somewhere support again, or we will shoot up to $1. And if we shoot up to $1, guys, I think we can easily go to new all-time highs because the psychological $1 barrier will be broken. This is the most important thing, guys. If we as XRP holders can pump the price 75% with the SEC lawsuit still pending and without the Telegram group. Then I think with the pump that will come tomorrow, we can see massive gains. But I cannot promise anything, guys, because I don't know for sure. The only thing I know for sure is that we have bullish signals, and I promised you all that I would wait for those bullish signals. Okay, last but not least, the XRP price skyrockets by 55% as Telegram group plans pump on Monday. The XRP price skyrocketed to 45 cents as a likely result of the pump by the Wall Street Bets group. A Telegram group with already 121,000 members is planning another XRP pump on Monday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, you can read this article by yourself. I just want to show you the Telegram group. We are at 198,254 members, guys. That's crazy. All of those members, guys. Just go and pump this XRP price to the moon, guys. We deserve it. Finally we will see new all-time highs, and I am so proud of every single one of you, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being invested in XRP. Thank you for being part of the future 1%. Guys, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. We are in the bull run, we are in alt season, and finally we are seeing XRP pump, guys. This is the beginning, this is the start. Don't even think of selling, okay? Lots of people, they are waiting for more confirmations until they will say the alt season has started. So for lots of people, alt season didn't even start. Will you be the one that will sell right now? I wouldn't think so. I wouldn't recommend selling now. Could you sell here at 50-60 cents when it's at sell 3? Yes, you should. Would you sell here when it says buy 2, buy 4, moon, bull? No. Why should you sell? That being said, guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the content provided. Please subscribe to my beautiful Crypto Violin channel. Let's go to the 20Ks, guys. That's my goal. It would be so amazing, guys, to go to the 20Ks. Also, like this video and comment if you have questions. But also, you can comment something nice, just occasionally, okay? So you don't have to ask things. You can also just have a chat with me. I try to answer a lot of people. So I hope to see you in the next juicy and bullish video. Have a great day. Bye.